If you want to place text above an image, and also have the text readable, you can place a transparent rectangle. I drag a rectangle. I open the Colors tab, and make the rectangle black. I open the Transparency tab. I set the opacity of the rectangle to 70%. And on top, I place white text. You can also make text transparent. I copy and paste the text city. I make the text cyan. I open the Transparency tab, and set opacity to 60%. You can also make gradients transparent. Let's say, I want to fade some white into this image. I drag a rectangle. I open the Colors tab, and choose Gradient. I set both color stops to white. I select the first color stop, and set its opacity to 0%. You can also make a radial gradient transparent. I drag a rectangle. I choose Gradient. Then I choose Radial. I make the color stops white. I select the first color stop, and set its opacity to 0%. I click on Move Vector. I drag the middle point of the gradient to the bride and groom. I make the gradient smaller, by dragging the end vector point. In the next lecture, we will look at blending modes.